Imagine it's early morning in the near future. You wake up and a humanoid robot gently hands you a cup of coffee. It has already watered the plants, walked the dog, and sorted your mail. This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's the vision that Tesla has for its Optimus robot. And as of May 2025, that vision is inching closer to reality. In fact, one of Tesla's latest prototypes just performed a dance routine so human-like that viewers around the world thought it had to be fake, but it wasn't. That's just one of the surprises we'll explore in this deep dive into the Tesla Bot. Throughout 2023, Tesla iterated quickly. By late 2023, they had a Generation 2 Optimus with markedly better capabilities. This upgraded bot could walk faster and more fluidly, and its hands had improved dexterity with new sensors. Observers saw demos of it sorting colored blocks, doing basic yoga poses for balance, and even attempting a little dance. The hardware was evolving. Tesla gave Optimus Gen 2 hands with 11 degrees of freedom, joints in the fingers and thumbs, and planned to double that to 22 in future models for even more human-like grasping. In short, the robot was learning to use its hands and feet in more sophisticated ways. Then, in early 2024, Elon Musk shared a video that really grabbed everyone's attention. Titled Optimus Folds a Shirt, it showed the robot carefully picking up a t-shirt from a laundry basket and folding it neatly on a table. This is the kind of task that's a lot harder for a robot than it sounds. It requires fine motor control, hand-eye coordination, and adapting to soft, flexible material. The video racked up millions of views. Many were amazed. Some were skeptical. Was it real or CGI? But afterward, the tech community discovered that Tesla's show had a bit of stage magic involved. Reports in the days following Robot revealed that many of the impressive on-site interactions were assisted by humans remotely controlling the robots. Each Optimus had Tesla staff in a back room making sure the conversations and some complex movements went smoothly. In one clip that surfaced, an Optimus acting as a bartender even confessed on mic that a human was helping it along.
I said, "Are you being remote controlled?"
Today, I'm assisted by a human.
This behind-the-curtain reality check led some critics to say Tesla's presentation was more flash than substance. Tesla's stock price even dipped sharply right after the event, partly because investors were hoping for more autonomous capability and clearer business plans than what was shown. However, those closer to the project weren't discouraged. What they saw was that the core robot hardware had improved by leaps and bounds, even if true general intelligence was still a work in progress. As one analyst put it, the balance and dexterity on display were off the charts, and Tesla's expertise in manufacturing and engineering could make it a dominant force in robotics in the long run. And indeed, 2025 has already provided evidence that Tesla is steadily closing the gap on fully autonomous humanoid robots. In April 2025, Elon Musk shared a new Optimus progress video that got a lot of attention in the AI and robotics world. In this video, Optimus is seen walking in a very human-like manner. Its gait was dramatically smoother than before. The robot kept its knees relatively straight, achieved a proper heel-to-toe stride, and even had a natural arm swing as it walked. If you compared this side by side with the 2022 prototype's clunky shuffle, the improvement was night and day. How did Tesla achieve this? According to Tesla's Optimus team, the robot's movement skills were entirely taught through simulation using reinforcement learning. Now, initially, these robots won't be shipped to customers. They're going to be deployed in Tesla's own facilities. By late 2025, if plans hold, you might walk into a Tesla factory and see Optimus units toiling alongside human workers, moving parts around, stocking inventory, or assembling components. Musk specifically said the company plans to use a few thousand Optimus robots in its factories doing tasks that employees don't particularly like doing: the dull, dirty, and dangerous bits of manufacturing. Let's talk about the price and market for a moment.
I think at scale, this would cost something like, I don't know, $20,000, $30,000. Probably less than a car.
One of the astonishing aspects of Musk's Optimus vision is the idea that a humanoid robot could be affordable. We're used to industrial robots costing tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars each. Musk, however, has predicted that once Optimus is being produced in high volume, the cost per unit could drop below $20,000. Tesla is designing Optimus using many offshoots of its car manufacturing technology: electric motors, batteries, actuators, and neural network computers, all of which can benefit from the scale of Tesla's supply chain. Musk's assertion is that if you make millions of something, you can get costs down dramatically. One fun question to consider is, if you personally had a Tesla bot, what would you use it for first? Would it be for household chores so you can relax or spend time with family? Would you have it help with a hobby, maybe assist you in the garage with DIY projects? Or would you send it out to earn money, like a robotic freelancer doing gigs? It's the kind of scenario tech enthusiasts are daydreaming about. Feel free to imagine it and share your ideas, the possibilities are huge. Finally, let's talk about who these Tesla bots are really for in the near term. Elon Musk's ultimate answer is for everyone. Over time, as production ramps up and costs hopefully come down, the market would expand to small businesses, like restaurants that could use a robot waiter, or farmers who could use an extra pair of robotic hands, and eventually regular households. There's also a humanitarian angle. Such robots could assist in disaster relief or search and rescue operations, going places too dangerous for people. Tesla's rhetoric around Optimus often highlights benefiting humanity. Using robots to do the hard labor could improve overall productivity and even help in labor-starved economies. So, are we ready for this future? The world will be watching closely for Tesla's next move, and perhaps dancing along with the next Optimus robot that takes the spotlight.